Hello, we're going to meet Santa today. We're in the farm. Because he's just still inside there.
No, it's not inside. Look at him. What's the duck? Go get him. Zach, come here, Zach. Isulan yung bata.
It's fogging. Like it. Look at. Oh, look at the rabbits. Why can't we feed them?
You are not allowed to feed rabbits. Look at. Where is that?
Mommy, why are you not allowed to feed?
Just the goats, the pigs. What else? Love your finger.
I can see horses. I think that's the best pet, the cutest pet. It's so cute. I think rabbits are the best pet. Can I pet them? The guinea pig. So cute. They didn't scare them.
It's very
Rabbits
cute.
are the cutest pet.
For me, guinea pigs. Look at the guinea pigs.
Rabbits are the cutest pet. I think this is Peter Rabbit.
Zach. What?
Donkey! I'm not sure if you can feed them with those. Can you feed them with those?
Yeah, you can. What is that?
Goats?
Be careful, okay? More here, dali.
This one is safe. Oh, we can feed them. That's cute. Gross, what are those? Gross, what are those?
What's the pool?
The goats that tail.
He said thank you.
You're welcome. I'll give you some more. A bit more, and you're done. Careful on my hand. I think that goat is bigger than that. Let's more ago. Oh, do you want some? Pig! It's trying to escape. And why is it black? Is it its hair?
Yeah. He will not bite you.
Yeah.
Yay!
Look at they're fighting.
Go. Go, Zach.
Ready? Xin chào chưa ạ? Run down. Lên núi này.
Yeah.
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water.
That's the bear.
That's got one of this. Come near that boy. You struggle. Oh, Zach, don't go up there. Go maybe.
But you
Go there.
have roots.
Go feed this one, is it? Can you feed this one? Hey!
That tickles.
I'm hanging on, yes, I'm staying home. I need so much ground just to keep from floating.
Hi, what do they eat? Oh my god. I'm not eating that one that has horns. Because that one has horns.
Four.
Oh, don't feed this one. No, don't feed this one. Don't even put your hands in
No,
there.
no!
Don't put your hands.
Wouldn't kill you, Zach. They are cats and they also have human teeth and more teeth than Daddy.
What is that?
Oh, God, donkey.
What sounds was that?
Somebody said a donkey.
Donkey.
It's dinner time! Hey, it's dinner time! I think that's the toilet. It's dinner time! Why don't you eat? Poop.
Poop.
They're not pooing in the toilet. That tire and wood sinks the toilet because there's lots of poo in that one. I'm washing my hands and touching the animals because they lick if you see them. We will look for other animals. Let's find some. Ostrich live in the zoo, not farm. Not ostrich. Definitely not. They are emu. Deer! Oh, so there's a deer in the farm. Only one deer.
Only one deer.
Can I feed those fat sheep?
I'm not sure.
But nobody feeding them. I don't think people are feeding those. I think you're not allowed to feed them.
And whenever he can see a table and chairs, he feels hungry.
Okay, you are.
There's a beehive.
Nice and cozy in there. I don't really want to come out.
Let's take the picture.
Look at the pig.
Woodland walk. We had to be careful because there's foxes.
Foxes?
Yeah, but it isn't summer, so it's okay.
I know, what's that?
Yeah, let's go there.
Somebody died in this campfire because there's so many wild animals because it was night. So somebody lost.
What is that?
The campfire he made, that's a really big campfire. It can literally make the whole woods make it burn down. Full of alligators.
I think no.
I think yes.
No.
Definitely there are because they're just hiding. Sure. Very fog out there because it's very cold and I can't see anything.
Very cute.
Like that one. He's really great.
Well, look, want to give him some food?
Yeah. I can see some teeth. I saw some too. I saw some teeth. They have human teeth. Ah! Ah!
There you go. Come on, then, let's go. In the olden days, that's what you used to put criminals in. They'd be like, yeah, and then people would come and look at them if they've done a bad thing, and they get chuck things at them and that. As a punishment, like maybe trivial things, like, you know.
Yeah.
Those are chicken coop. I can't see the chickens.
Chickens are inside.
Why can't you see them inside? Are they laying eggs?
They feel cold.
They are laying eggs. Now we'll meet Santa.
Oh, Hannah.
No.
It's a me again.
I think so, come back, son.
My wish is superpowers.
Superpowers, that's not too bad.
Real superpowers.
Real superpowers. Yeah. I tell you what, would you like to come stand by the side of me so we can have a photograph together?
Okay.
Yeah, come on,
Go.
And I also want a cat.
A cat?
It's cat.
Is it? Come stand by here. Come on. Say cheese.
Say cheese. Zach.
come here. Oh, Zach, what's that? What's that noise?
Zach. Yay.
Zach, see, Santa's got friends here.
Yay, thanks.
Oh wow.
I got one for you. That's for
Oh, wow, what do you say?
Yay.
Say thank you.
That's one of the little elves.
Mm.
You're gonna be elves. This is what Santa gives that. It's for girls. And this is mine. Santa gave me Christmas tree. This is my favorite, chicken nuggets and chips. And of course red sauce. I can't leave without red sauce. Now, let me. You can take a coin and wish. Can I tell you my wish, Mommy?
Yeah.
I wish is a secret. You can't tell anyone.
Do you have coin?
No.
You ask Daddy first.
Ring the bell and make a wish.
Zach, make a wish.
Wish.
Oh, Zach is making a wish.
Can you pick me up?
Maybe Zach will destroy it. See that? What's in that volcano?
Oh my God, this boy.
Hey, Zach, where you going? No. What?
No. Zach!
I'm copying him. That is going to be probably really like to go home. It's definitely not me I'm not crying. Zach is crying because he doesn't want to go home.